Guys, another video. You might remember this speaker from my older video with the old stereo I had. So remember this? Still dirty kind of. This is the Pioneer bass reflex wide range speaker system. Tweeter, supposedly woofer, and speaker port. Now I took this apart, and surprisingly, I think it's a 6 inch. This has the smallest magnet I've ever seen for that size. I mean, look at that compared to my hand. Tweeter, the woofer. I have my 8-inch. I think it's an 8-inch down here. Let me take this off. There it is. It is a JBL. So, the reason why I took this apart is because every time I would play like bassy music, I would feel the dust cap, and sometimes the dust cap gets extremely hot, and I'm wondering why it gets so hot. There's the reason why. It's so freaking small. 6 ohms. It doesn't really say the watts or anything. It just gives like the freaking the model number and the Pioneer logo. That's all it gives. The tweeter is also 6 ohms. Same thing as this crap over here. But besides the way it looks, it sounds kind of nice. And it's not too bad. I'll look for a song. Okay, so this speaker without the box, it sounds like crap. I mean, it literally sounds like crap. Just listen to this. Now listen to it with the box. You hear the difference? I have to lower the volume because it's kind of loud. I don't know if the neighbors will like that. Without the box. With the box. Alright, that's basically it. Oh, here we go. Oh, there's the watts. Supposedly it says it's 50 watts. But I don't think it's 50 watts. It says maximum power is 50 watts. And this is the right speaker for the right side. It says, do not connect to any amplifier other than the one supplied with the system. Connect to any other amplifier may result in malfunction or a fire. Whoa. I don't follow rules, and I don't give a crap. This might end up in the trash pretty soon. Made in Indonesia. I don't know how to say that. Hold on. Sorry for the interruption. The serial number is SAN 2497-A. A-SO2. Another reason